Hello everybody, today it's me Pierre Farrugia and I am in the baking sun at Pembroke. Today I have the helmet on, not a sun cap, because I'm going underground. Here there is a World War II shelter at Pembroke that I think it's worth it to explore. You know that I love World War II and underground. I have all the safety gear that I need, so I kit it up and let's start exploring this World War II shelter. So this is the shelter which I will be exploring today. I'm a little bit away from White Rocks complex and far away from the sea, although today it was nicer to go to the sea. Now I will remove my sunglasses and start going down this World War II shelter and hope it will be nice to explore. As usual, leave no trace even here. Don't do graffiti and damage this part. So let's start going down. This shelter starts with this rock cut stairs here. It's pretty flat, one cannot see it from the road here. So let's start going down the steps here. It looks that these were all covered with red cement or something closer. It goes down around 5 meters. And already starting to feel some shade there. And hope it is a World War II shelter, because from what I saw somehow, that's how it looks. Well, let me show you again. I remove my sunglasses and put on some light as well. Here we find the door. It's pretty low and you can start exploring inside. As usual, you can find these 90-degree tents as blast walls. There's a lot of stuff here and the pallet here, and we start going in. And here we have a 90-degree stand. Once we get till here, we have some shelvings here, and here we find steps going down. We move a little bit, we have some steps going down. And here it looks that one time there was like a door as well. Maybe there was like a blast door here. And then if we continue on this side, it's all dark in rock, cut in the rock. And then here we can find like an exit hatch with these steel rugs. One can go up and escape from the other side, which is pretty interesting. Here is around 3 meters higher, perfectly round. Maybe these were cut while doing the cutting of the rock as support, and then later they did these steps. And here is the door where we came from, which is quite interesting. So let's start and explore one of the chambers. Something interesting here. Here one can still see how it was dug, I think, here. It's like holes like this. But now let's go into the first room, which is here. You can see some red paint again. Well, let's go down. So we came from there, and now let's head down from here. It's quite large opening. And here you can find like a small room cut into the rock. There's a lot of stuff here, unfortunately. People use this like a sitting room here, which is a pity with something which holds so much history. One can even see some cutout in the wall, but they look really, how you say, recent. And we have another one here, and even some cockroaches. So now let's start going up the stairs again. And here at least is very cool, the temperature. And it's really high as well, very comfortable to go down. And now let's go to this side because we have another chamber here. Let's go down and check it out. Have some stairs that goes down around 2 meters at least. And here we find another room. It's not that big, this room. We have, unfortunately, people use this to come to sleep here, or maybe used to play in. I'm checking if there's any markings on the walls, which I cannot see. But really interesting area. Another piece of history. So this is the stairs to go up. And you can start feeling the heat here. This is the escape hatch, and here where one can go outside. This is like a shelf. Maybe they used to put some candles here. Something was fixed here. And now let's go to check the hatch from the upper part. It's not that big, it's a shelter. Remember, we have these 90 degrees then, so if a bomb explodes, the blast will come in from here, hit this wall, and then go inside. So it will be highly absorbed. And now I can feel the heat coming from outside. We are about 5 meters deep here, and in front of me you can see the stairs. Let me show you. These are the steps we came in. So let's start going up and check. And like this we made it into fresh air as well. Again, here it's super hot again, and it's nice to put the sunglasses back. One have to take care here if you come at night. If you run around, you will not see this. You end up downstairs, and it will be a nasty fall. And here, somewhere here, there should be, and this cover there, that evacuation hole or shaft that I saw on the other side. Hope you enjoyed this short vlog. I really enjoyed. You laugh, I laugh, World War II stuff. As usual, thank you to my sponsor, which is Zoleo, which keeps me safe, although it doesn't work underground. Since I have live share, people can exactly see where I am until the signal is cut, so they will know if something happens, they have to come here. As usual, if you come here, leave no trace, don't do any damage. May I remind you that only 20% of my viewers are subscribed, so please subscribe, and you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Pierre Farrugia Malta. Until next time, bye bye.